Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Suzuki Boulevard S40. This 650cc lightweight cruiser just arrived with only 6,026 miles. Beautiful metallic gray finish, lots of chrome, belt drive, so no chain to mess with. This baby's getting 2 brand new tires. Come on by and make your lightweight 650 cruiser dreams come true for just $39.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.